Good evening, everyone. Welcome to day 5 of 30-day life challenge with Right to Abundance, the group that we are really committed to doing this life challenge. Today, I'm going to speak on silence. Sounds ironic, right? Speaking on silence. In fact, yesterday I did speak about that do not let the voices of others dim your inner light or your spark. Listen to your inner voice. How do we really listen to our inner voice? In fact, if you also look at the word listen and silent, they have the same letters, and if you just jumble around the words, listen and silent is formed together with the same letters. So to be able to listen, what you really need to practice is silence. I truly believe that silence speaks. A lot of time people ask me when I hold silent meditations and group meditations that really will I be able to sit for silent for so long? I'm not used to being silent. There's so much chatter that goes on. I understand. However, even if you can be silent for a few seconds, just by focusing on your breath, you've achieved something. And gradually the practices can be increased. So, coming back to yesterday's quote about listening to your inner voice and connecting the dots right now, if ever you really want to know what is it that you truly want, take few minutes and sit with that particular intention or thought and sit deeply in silence. So today I want all of you for few seconds to pose a question in your mind, or if you have any intention or anything that you're seeking an answer for, take a moment, think about it right now, and I want you to sit with me in silence. Even if you're listening to this later on, please join into the silence, because believe me, silence speaks. In fact, it's never empty. It's always and always full of answers that we are truly, truly seeking. So come on, join me in this space today. Today we are going to have a shared silence space. So you can, if you're okay, you can close your eyes. Just relax your shoulders, breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe out, let go of anything, any worries, any concern that comes in the way of relaxation. Just release with an exhalation. Just release it out. Take few seconds. Breathe at your own pace. Let your body create your own rhythm. And as you're beginning to relax, find your own rhythm. Raise an intention. That is, if you wish, for any answer that you're seeking. Or simply, you may just want to be and enjoy the silence, whatever is apt for you. And continue to breathe. And only when you feel ready, you can now gently come back and open your eyes. And just check in your body. How are you feeling right now? Just in this couple of seconds of silence, what has shifted in your energy? I am already beginning to feel relaxed. I was feeling a little tired, but just by sharing the silence, I'm feeling a little rejuvenated. Thank you so much for being with me in this space and sharing your silence. Do let me know if you do continue to practice. How is this feeling for you? How is this landing for you? And just before I go, I'm going to say this thing. It's something I'd read somewhere. I'm not sure who said it. If you do know, let me know who the credit can be given to the person. It said that prayer is when you are talking to God or your higher self or the universe or divine being. Meditation or silence is when you are listening to the divine being or your higher self talking to you. So if you truly want answers, go deep within and track a certain space of silence. Thank you so much for being with me in this space today. Love you all. Looking forward to your comments. Goodbye.